Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of die-cast toys with a close look at the Flmenunu movie car toy Miss Fritter. If you're a Cars fan or just love cool collectibles, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes this toy special. The Miss Fritter School Bus from the Cars movie series is brought to life here in stunning detail. Made from a mix of metal alloy and plastic, this die-cast replica captures the iconic look of Miss Fritter with its vivid yellow color and rugged design. Moving on to its features, this toy doesn't disappoint. It's about 3 inches long, perfectly scaled at 1/55, making it ideal for collectors and kids alike. The attention to detail is impressive, from the realistic metal body to the carefully crafted exterior and interior. It even has rubber tires for added authenticity. Why should you consider adding this to your collection? Well, aside from its spot-on design, it's also a durable piece. Whether it's for playtime or display, this toy stands out. It's also officially licensed, which means you're getting the real deal in terms of quality and accuracy. What sets this apart from other die-cast toys? For one, it's Amazon's choice, indicating its popularity and high ratings. With over 300 purchases last month alone, it's clear that many others have found joy in owning this piece of the Cars universe. To wrap things up, the Flmenunu movie car toy Miss Fritter is a fantastic addition to any Cars collection. Whether you're a fan of the movies or simply love well-crafted toys, this one delivers. Remember, you can find it on Amazon, and it makes a great gift for birthdays or holidays. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Also, let me know in the comments if you have this toy or if you're planning to get it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.